Welcome to Vanderbilt Beach, located in North Naples, Florida. Vanderbilt Beach offers beach access with public parking facilities. Vanderbilt Beach real estate consists of high-rise and mid-rise beach and Gulf access condos, along with a few beachfront single-family homes and many homes on Gulf access canals. The finger canals and streets were constructed in the mid-1950s. J.B. Connors developed the Vanderbilt Beach area starting in 1953. It is said that he chose the name Vanderbilt Beach as a marketing ploy. For information on resale homes and condos at Vanderbilt Beach, please contact Southwest Coast Realty in Naples. Call 239-229-9926. There is a link to the available resale homes at the video description below. Thanks for watching.